Finding opportunities is not as difficult as it may seem. You just have to look into the right places, and you can find lots of them. Today, in this video, we will go over the most common places you can look for opportunities. The first one would be to automate. Take a look at all the processes you are currently running, including the menial ones, especially those, like asking people to provide updates. Evaluate the tooling available in your organization or new tools you can incorporate with minimal or no cost at all in order to automate those processes. For this, just put together a list. Rate each one of these processes from 1 to 5 value-wise, being 1 the least valuable and 5 the most valuable. Also, determine how much time they take from you during the week and identify which ones could be automated. There you go. Now, from the list of processes that can be automated, take the low-hanging fruits, low effort, high value. With this information, you can finally quantify how much time you or your team will get back. Go to meetings and summits with an open attitude that will allow you to listen to problems and detect potential opportunities that you can tackle. Organization-level meetings are great for this because the challenges at that level have an expanded impact, which will take your career to the next level. Team meetings can work as well. My recommendation is start detecting challenges in your team and address the most important ones, and then go for the organization challenges. Extrapolate knowledge and best practices from your previous experience. You always carry with you your successes. Successful and proven solutions you have applied in the past are a gold mine on opportunities. See how those best practices and patterns fit within the culture and processes of the organization you are working for, and then tweak them accordingly. Question the status quo. There are processes in place in our organizations running without being questioned. That happens to everyone. We go through processes in the rush of getting things done that we don't stop and ask if they are the best they could be, producing the results they are supposed to produce, or if they are even making sense anymore. See if there are any pain points. Talk to people that have gone through the process, collect feedback using focus groups, feedback forms, or request feedback using just email. Find these connections and gaps. Processes are composed of steps whose inputs and outputs should be matched perfectly, but that is not always the case. Find these gaps, which could be part of how the process was structured or just missing information or lack of clarity. Find potential optimizations on parts of the processes that can be done faster or better. Match the process with the circumstances or context. It is possible that a process remains the same, but the circumstances have changed. So the process has to be reworked or adjusted. Measure, please measure. My final recommendation would be measure the situation before you solve the problem and then after solving the problem. Obvious, right? But we always forget to do it. This is a key factor when showcasing your impact or work. Opportunities are everywhere. You just have to listen carefully and pay attention. No organization is perfect. There are always pain points, but for now it will only be enough if you hit the subscribe button and then the notification button so you are aware when I publish new videos. Be kind, be smart, and have fun. If you liked this video, then you are going to like this other one for sure. Check it out, like now.